Iterating until a function returns true a user-defined number of times. I've written a function, isPrime_n, that returns true if a number is prime and false if not. I am able to loop the function a defined number of times, but I can't figure out how to iterate until it finds x number of primes. I feel as though I have a decent understanding of for and while loops, but I'm confused as to how one integrates Boolean return values into loops. Here is my current code and error. Error result. And the code? Edit, including the updated and functioning code.
As others have pointed out, you should increment prime_s_found, not prime_list. The isPrime function has a bug, and returns true for 9. You need sqrt_n+1. In addition, you need to initialize I outside the while loop, otherwise, you simply build up a list of 2s, there is no need for prime_s_found. Just check len prime_list. And my pet peeve. Command line programs should resort to interactive user input only in special circumstances. Where possible, take parameters as command line arguments or options. For example, user input equals insys.argv1.
You cannot add an to a Python list. You should do prime_s_found plus equals 1 to achieve your desired result. Plus, your isPrime function is wrong. It will return true for 9. You should do while x is lower than sqrt_n+1 for the while loop of your isPrime function. So you should have
this line should be to get n numbers that satisfy some condition. You could use a tools.isList function and a generator expression. Where p for p and count 2 if isPrime p is a generator expression that produces prime numbers indefinitely. It could also be written as a tools.afilter isPrime, count 2. You could use sieve of Eratosthenes' algorithm to get a more efficient solution. See fastest way to list all primes below n in Python. Note, there are about limit, log limit, 1, prime numbers less than limit. You could also use an infinite prime number generator such as gen_primes to get the first n primes numbers. See how to implement an efficient infinite generator of prime numbers in Python.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.